A 5-year-old child, laughing in his backyard, faced sudden terror. An ordinary Tuesday became a frantic scramble for safety. A neighbor's dog breached a secure fence, unprovoked, on private property. Its teeth found skin. This wasn't a first. The dog had a history of bites. The owners knew. This explores fragile fences, furious neighbors, and accountability. The family settled into their new home. They built a robust, fenced backyard, their sanctuary for child safety. They believed they were protected. That perfect image fractured. One afternoon, a 5-year-old played with his father. A small dog, a blur, breached their secure perimeter without warning. It bit their son. A significant wound appeared. Chaos erupted. A parent's nightmare unfolded. The child's cries prompted action. The father protected his son. The bite mark demanded urgent attention. The mother confronted neighbors. A chilling revelation. The dog was known to be aggressive, not a one-off. It had bitten multiple people before, even previous residents. Owners knew it was a threat, yet it ran free. No visible effort to contain it. The reeling family knew they couldn't let this stand. A police report was filed immediately. What happens next? What protocols, legal avenues, and medical necessities apply? The stakes were clear. A child's safety, shattered peace, and thorny neighbor relations. Every second mattered. A medical evaluation was critically urgent. The clock was ticking. A 5-year-old, bitten in his backyard by an aggressive dog, faces chaos. What actions must be taken when play turns into a medical emergency? We dissect critical steps, hidden dangers, and the complex legal landscape. We uncover essential strategies, from medical care to the dog's fate. This is about accountability, prevention, and protecting a child's future. Documentation is key. Overwhelming advice points to animal control as imperative. They handle official bite reports and provide legal guidance. Their involvement creates an official record. Every call to animal control must be documented, forming a comprehensive paper trail. Missed steps create vulnerabilities. Animal control reports are distinct, carrying specific weight. Diligent pursuit of records builds a fortress of evidence. Beyond paperwork, immediate medical attention for the child is critical. It's a race against invisible threats. Treatment is paramount. Even superficial bites are high risk. Puncture wounds hide deep tissue damage. Aggressive bacteria demand cleaning, infection assessment, and antibiotics. Medical documentation is vital evidence. Doctors must report animal bites, ensuring public health recording. Strict deadlines apply. Missing them means opportunities vanish. Rabies. Veterinary reality is measured. The crucial 10-day observation period means an owned, healthy dog cannot transmit rabies post-bite. PEEP, rabies shots, is effective but costly for wildlife/strays, not casual decisions. Testing is essential if the dog cannot be observed or dies, involving euthanasia. Vaccination records are crucial. Absence triggers animal control scrutiny and quarantine. Uncertainty escalates. This wasn't an isolated accident. The neighbor confessed their dog is aggressive and has previously bitten multiple people, including the home's previous owner. This pattern eliminates doubt, pointing to owner negligence. Knowing their animal is dangerous, their responsibility for containment is absolute. Failure to prevent this attack, despite knowledge, transforms it from accident to a direct consequence of ignored risk. Stakes escalate. What legal pathways open? A dangerous dog declaration is possible, entailing strict containment, muzzling, and costly training. Non-compliance leads to fines, seizure, or euthanasia. Given its history, this dog is likely beyond any strike limit, increasing severe legal action. Lawsuits loom for medical costs, trauma and suffering, often covered by homeowners' insurance. More criminal charges are also possible. Multiple avenues for justice exist. How did this happen with a securely fenced backyard? The dog penetrated it. Identifying the fence's vulnerability is crucial. The victim's family must fortify their defenses. However, the neighbor's responsibility is paramount. Ensure their dog is contained on its own property. This shared responsibility becomes a negotiation point, legal leverage. Failure to cooperate highlights owner accountability gaps. The dog's ultimate fate sparked fierce debate. Many advocated euthanasia, citing its history and demonstrable danger, prioritizing public safety. Counter-arguments, rehoming or intensive modification. These solutions demand extraordinary commitment with no guarantees. Mark highlights ethical/safety arguments. This isn't a simple choice. A life and public safety hang in the balance, underlining the situation's gravity for owners and authorities. Beyond stitches and legal decisions lies the invisible wound, psychological impact on a 5-year-old. A dog bite in their safe space leaves lasting scars, embedding lifelong fear and social anxieties. The world feels less safe. Recovery involves controlled exposure to friendly dogs and understanding canine behavior. These steps help rebuild trust and security, touching the child's long-term well-being. A child bitten, a secure yard breached. Scattered facts coalesce into an undeniable legal position. The irrefutable weight of evidence creates a profound shift. Mark traces the path from distress to decisive action. Meticulously gathered evidence forms a formidable wall. Medical records confirm injury. Police reports document chaos. Animal control findings reveal a critical pattern. Multiple bites, multiple victims. The neighbor's admissions confirm awareness of the dog's dangerous past. Each piece of information, the precise strike. Each official document, a binding truth. History of aggression, once anecdotal, now stands as irrefutable legal proof. Animal control declares the dog potentially dangerous or dangerous vicious. Owners face strict mandates, impenetrable containment, muzzling, training. Failure to comply can lead to euthanasia. The choice is stark: comply or face consequences. The victim's family pursues a civil claim for accountability. Through negotiation or court order, homeowners' insurance covers mounting medical expenses, psychological trauma therapy, and compensation for pain. The immense financial burden is lifted, allowing the family to focus on healing. The physical space, the shattered yard, sees its fence reinforced. This crucial upgrade happens under the neighbor's legal obligation or by the family with financial contribution. The neighborhood becomes safer. The immediate danger addressed, emotional recovery begins for the child. They learn the threat is managed, boundaries restored. This incident leaves a powerful legacy for pet owners. The power of a paper trail cannot be overstated. Every police report, every animal control filing, every medical record from the emergency room. These aren't just bureaucratic steps. These documents transformed an emotional incident into an irrefutable legal case. Without them, pleas for justice often fade. With them, accountability becomes an inescapable reality. Physical wounds heal, but the psychological impact on a child and lingering backyard fear demand ongoing support. The neighbor dynamic is irrevocably broken by mistrust. This case isn't isolated. It sets a stark precedent for pet ownership across the community. It reinforces the necessity of secure containment and responsible animal management. Accountability is key. Mark offers these critical takeaways. If you are a victim, act immediately. Report the incident to local police and animal control. Seek professional medical attention without delay for treatment and crucial documentation. Meticulously record everything: photos, dates, names, official statements. Build your case from day one. If you are a pet owner, understand your animal's temperament. Recognize its triggers, its potential for aggression. Ensure genuinely secure containment for your pet, not just a casual barrier. Know your local dangerous dog laws. Ignorance offers no defense. And critically, verify your homeowner's insurance covers animal liability. It could protect you from devastating financial ruin. For everyone, the responsibility of pet ownership extends far beyond your property line. It's a profound commitment to public safety and community well-being. Your choices or your negligence have consequences that ripple through an entire community, reinforcing the absolute necessity of secure containment and responsible animal management for all.